Hello brush friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to blend colors using the Tombow Dual Brush Pens, and we're actually making galaxy lettering. So let's get started. Of course, the brush pens that I'll be using are the Tombow. So this is the galaxy set, but I'm just picking this color purple, dark blue, light blue, and the color pink. But galaxy is such a fun subject to paint because they come in different color and you can choose whatever color that you want for your galaxy. And for the blending part, you can either use a blender, a water brush if you have, or a small paintbrush. So this is an unbranded paintbrush that I got from Shopee, and then I'll be using the Jelly Roll 08 for the stars that we're making after. Okay, so first of all, I'm gonna write the word galaxy using my koi coloring brush pen. So this is in light cool gray color. So this is just a light color brush pen for the base of our lettering. If you don't have a light cool gray color, you can definitely use whatever is available on your brush pen set. Now for the blending, I'll start with my purple. And then just add or trace again some part of the letter G. Then I'm going to add this dark blue, and I'm not going to start right where the color purple ends, so I'll be starting somewhere here. I'll be leaving enough space for the blending of these two colors. So this is the Fabriano watercolor paper, and blending works well if you will use a watercolor paper instead of a regular band paper or copy paper. And then I'm going to wet my paintbrush. So this is not too wet, just enough moist or damp. And then I'll start wetting this part of the purple, as well as of the color blue, so they will blend smoothly. Next, I'm going to use my pink and add it here. So I'm using feathery strokes to trace this letter. And then this blue. So since these are water-based markers, they will be activated with water and they can be used as watercolor as well. And then I'll go ahead and just drag the color blue up to where I want it to be. So there is really no right or wrong area where you should add your colors. It just depends on you and your creativity. The goal is to blend them or blend the colors all together. Following any kind of pattern when I'm adding my colors.